Have you ever encountered a frustrating issue where your MAUI project refuses to build after restoring your system? You're not alone. Many developers have faced this problem, and it can be really annoying when you're in the middle of a critical project. In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind this issue and provide a step-by-step guide on how to resolve it. MAUI, or Multi-Platform App UI, is a powerful framework for building cross-platform mobile apps. However, like any complex software, it's not immune to errors. When you restore your system, some essential configurations might get lost or corrupted, leading to build issues. Don't worry, we'll walk you through the solution. So, why does this issue occur? Well, there are a few possible reasons. Firstly, when you restore your system, some essential files and settings required by MAUI might be deleted or altered. This can include configuration files, NuGet packages, or even environment variables. Secondly, the restore process might affect the duality and the downchange. Might outdoor net framework or other dependencies required by MAUI. This can lead to compatibility issues or missing references. Lastly, it's possible that some project-specific settings or configurations got lost during the restoration process. To resolve this issue, let's go through a step-by-step troubleshooting guide. 1. Verify the property. Homanonti lot, but they can't capture out. Unmade for the again. Via the File Net framework. Ensure that you have the correct version of the .NET framework installed on your system. You can check this by running the command .NET version in your terminal or command prompt. 2. Restore NuGet packages. Open your project file, cprog, and verify that all necessary NuGet packages are referenced correctly. If you're using Visual Studio, you can right-click on your project and select Manage NuGet Packages to restore any missing packages. 3. Rebuild the project. Try rebuilding your MAUI project from scratch. This will recreate the necessary files and configurations required for building the app. 4. Check environment variables. Ensure that all environment variables required by MAUI are set correctly. You can do this by checking your system settings or consulting the official MAUI documentation. 5. Clean and rebuild sometimes. A simple clean and rebuild of the project can resolve the issue. This will remove any temporary files and recreate the necessary build configuration. To summarize, when facing the MAUI project unable to build issue after restoring your system, verify the time. They are not chance in our terminal, unbets or avail active outside. Net framework version. Restore NuGet packages. Rebuild the project from scratch. Check environment variables. Clean and rebuild the project. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the build issue and get back to developing your MAUI app. That's it for today's video. We hope this explanation helped you understand the reasons behind the MAUI project unable to build issue and provided a clear step-by-step guide on how to resolve it. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content related to MAUI, .NET, and mobile app development. We'll catch you in the next video.